Hi, SPK scholars. This is your librarian, Miss Bettis. I hope you're having a magnificent day. Get out, get some sunshine, enjoy the outdoors, enjoy nature. What do you think you can come up with by just walking outside? Just looking. Can you hear the birds chirping? Can you find some insects on the ground? That's what I want you to do today. If it's okay with your parents, I want you to listen to the story that I have coming up, and then I would love for you to go outside and let's talk about nature. See you soon.
Great story? I think so too. So now I want you to take out those writing journals and let's get to writing. See you later. Guess what, SPK scholars? You've been virtually booked. Yeah, Miss Bettis is still in nature. I'm about to swing on a tree in a minute. So that means what you're going to do, those 5 books that I've selected for you, I want you to go online and I want you to read those books to fidelity. Then I want you to mosey on over to AR, take those quizzes, and give me 100% on each one. I think you can do it. I know you can do it. How about that? And then let me tell you about what I have planned for the rest of the month. Since it's Poetry Month, what I'm going to do is put out a challenge. Whomever can give me the best poem by the end of the month will receive a gift card.